Hey, welcome again. This is the 13th lecture of the Python course, and we successfully completed two lectures on Python. In lecture 1, we discussed about introduction to Python. In introduction to Python, we discussed about what is Python and application of Python and how to set up environment for Python language. And in the second lecture, we discuss about how first how to write first program in Python. Okay, this is the third lecture. In this lecture, we discuss about how to write comment in Python. Comment in Python. So I use a software that is Python for programming. Open the Python and close this. First of all, we discuss about comment. Comment. Okay, right here comment. Okay, comment are the comment are used to hide a particular section. Used to hide a particular section from the program. It means if you don't want to show the particular section in your program, so the comment section will be used. Okay, means basically it is used for to uh, define a particular section properly. Detail in further lecture. Please continue. So basically, comment are the two type. Comment के type की बात comment are the type two type. ठीक है. It is two type. Comment two type. Their comment have two type. First one is single line comment. पहले one single line, and another one is that is multi-line comment. Multi-line. Okay. Comment. There are the two type of comments. One is single line comment and another is multi-line comment. What is single line comment and what is multi-line comment? There is no big difference between that, but a main difference is between that is single line comment. Single line comment is represented by hash. Single line comment is represented by hash. Okay, and multi-line comment is represented by this section. I need controls. Okay, this is represented by this section. Whatever you write inside, it will no sorry multi-line comment will be triple quotes. Okay, whatever you write inside this is act as in comment. Okay, and whatever you write after the head symbol, it became as a it work as a comment section. Okay. In further lecture, we detail about the comment in we detail go detail in comment. Okay. Okay. Basically, comment are the two types. First one is single line comment, and another one is multi-line comment. Single line comment is represented by hash symbol, and multi-line comment is represented by triple quotes. And single line comment is used to comment a particular line, and multi-line comment is used to comment a multi-line statement. Okay.